So right now I'm in Google Meet on my browser. Let's create a new instant meeting. I'm selecting continue without microphone and camera. Okay, once you're in a Google Meet meeting, all you have to need to record the meeting with your audio. Just open your computer search option and type your snipping tool. Launch the snipping tool app on your computer. So here we can see the camera or snip option selected. So to record screen with this snipping tool, here we have to select this video option. Once you selected this video option, now press Windows Shift R to start recording. Let's do it. And now you have to select the area that you want to capture. So in my case, I'm selecting this part. You can also select your entire screen. Once you select it, here we can see the start record button, but before that we have to enable our microphone here. So unmute your microphone, and to screen record with your desktop audio or output audio, then make sure to unmute this desktop audio option. Now all you have to need, click on start, and after 3 seconds snipping tool will start to record your entire screen with your audios. So now your screen is recording. You can pause the recording from here, and you can also minimize the specific Google Meets by clicking this minimize option. You can again open your Google Meeting, and to stop recording, click the stop button. And here we can see our Google Meeting recording preview. You can play the recording from here, and all you have to need to save this, click on save, select a location where you want to save, and you can rename the video file here, then click on save. And I'm going to my file explorer to show you, going to the location, and here we can see the Google Meeting successfully captured with audio using snipping tool. So that's how you can actually do it.